Prior to delving into the forecasts, let us undertake an analysis of Rndr as a potential investment idea. Rndr token price forecast, evaluating the investment potential of Rndr token. The Rndr token, Rndr, serves as a viable option for the rendering and streaming of virtual works through the utilization of a peer-to-peer network. The network facilitates the distribution and fast processing of intricate rendering tasks that rely on GPU technology, hence streamlining the workflow for end users. The Rndr network intends to transition into a digital marketplace that facilitates the financing of digital concepts, assets, and applications, with a specific emphasis on 3D projects and the administration of digital rights. The primary objective of Rndr token is to facilitate the connection between various studios and artists seeking GPU computing capacity, and mining partners who are prepared to lease their available GPU capabilities. The Rndr token platform effectively eliminates technological obstacles inside computing systems by facilitating the sharing of individual surplus or underutilized GPU power with those who require additional GPU resources. The network facilitates the connection between individuals, enabling them to achieve cost and time savings. The fundamental characteristics of Rndr network can be delineated as follows. The decentralized cloud computing platform offered by Rndr network enables developers to conveniently construct and launch applications by harnessing the capabilities of blockchain technology. The platform offers advanced computing resources, such as GPUs and TPUs, which empower developers to construct and execute intricate applications and simulations. The network has been architected to exhibit horizontal scalability, enabling it to effectively accommodate growing demand through the seamless addition of additional computing resources. The Rndr network has been designed to prioritize low latency, so enabling apps developed on the platform to promptly reply to user requests and provide a smooth user experience. The platform has been designed to ensure compatibility with several blockchain networks, including as Ethereum, Polygon, and Binance Smart Chain. This feature enables developers to select the blockchain network that aligns most effectively with their specific requirements. Rndr network offers cloud computing resources at a reduced cost compared to other cloud computing service providers. The security measures employed by Rndr network encompass sophisticated techniques such as encryption and multi-factor authentication, which serve to safeguard user data and mitigate the risk of unauthorized intrusion. The primary applications. The Rndr network is widely recognized for its notable attributes in terms of rapidity, ease of usage, and cost efficiency. The platform utilizes a decentralized network of graphics processing units, GPUs, in a distinctive manner, facilitating efficient and superior rendering of three-dimensional, 3D, media at a fast pace. Rndr network is providing artists with the ability to produce extended and higher quality animations, alleviating concerns over time-consuming rendering processes. Artists and makers have the ability to access GPU power, which enables them to generate finished images at reduced expenses and increased speeds in comparison to alternative sources. Node operators have the ability to lease their surplus graphic processing units, GPUs, and receive Rndr tokens as compensation. Rndr serves as the inherent digital currency of the Rndr network, fulfilling various essential functions within its ecosystem. The subsequent paragraphs outline the principal applications and purposes of Rndr tokens. The utilization of Rndr serves as a means of payment for the purpose of accessing the decentralized rendering services provided by Rndr network. Rndr can serve as a medium of transaction on digital platforms dedicated to cryptocurrency trading, facilitating the exchange of Rndr for alternative cryptocurrencies or traditional fiat currencies. Rndr has the capability to facilitate participation in Rndr DAO, an autonomous decentralized organization responsible for the governance of the Rndr network and the management of its resources. Additionally, it can serve as a means to motivate and acknowledge users for their contributions of computational resources to the Rndr network in the capacity of a node operator or validator. Passive revenue can be generated by staking Rndr coins. The increasing demand for graphic processing unit (GPU) rendering services has led to the potential cost and time-saving benefits of utilizing Rndr network. Furthermore, users are provided with the chance to generate passive income through the acquisition of Rndr tokens. In general, Rndr presents a moderately compelling case for investment. Is it likely that the value of Rndr token will increase to $10? In order to attain a price level of $10, Rndr must have a growth of around 7.19 times its present market price. In addition, the Rndr token reached its peak price of $7.80 in November 2021. Furthermore, there was a substantial growth of around 16.25-fold within a span of 5 months, commencing with the lowest recorded price of 48 cents in June 2021. Therefore, it saw a growth rate of 325% within a span of 1 month. Hence, it is anticipated that Rndr will achieve a valuation of $10 within a time frame of fewer than 3 months. However, the duration required may vary based on the prevailing market conditions and economic considerations. Price prediction: is it feasible for the value of Rndr token to reach $1,000? In order to achieve a price point of $1,000, the value of Rndr token would need to increase by a factor of 467. Furthermore, taking into account the substantial growth of 3.25 times during a single month, it can be inferred that the Rndr token would necessitate a minimum of 143 months, approximately equivalent to 12 years, to get a value of $1,000. Please provide a forecast of the price of token for the upcoming 6-hour period. The projected token price for the upcoming hours is anticipated to fluctuate within the region of 1.4 and 1.4. Predicting the price of a token in the present day. According to the forecast, the projected value for token in 2023 is estimated to be $2. According to the forecast, the projected value of the token in 2025 is estimated to be $4.20. According to the projected analysis, the anticipated value of the Rndr token in the year 2030 is estimated to be $20.40. The dollar's instability, the effects of de-dollarization, and China's worries will affect the price of Bitcoin. At the moment, the BTC/USD is down 0.25%, and its selling price is $26,025. In a world where the dollar is unstable, de-dollarization efforts face big problems that could affect Bitcoin prices. Even though China doesn't like it, the dollar is still doing well, even after what happened at the Jackson Hole Symposium. Most experts think that there won't be any rate increases in 2023, and they think that any rate cuts won't happen until March 2024. How dollar volatility affects de-dollarization and Bitcoin prices. A market analyst at DailyFX named Zain Vada explains how the recent instability of currencies in China, Russia, and Argentina hurts